that sound. Woo! Woo! Very good. Chugga-Chugga, choo-choo. Sun's up, morning's here, up and at 'em, engineer. Chugga-Chugga, choo-choo, whistle blowing. Woo! Woo! Excellent. Hurry, hurry, load the freight to the city, can't be late. Through the country, on the loose, engines black and red caboose. Chugga-Chugga, choo-choo, wheels are turning. Woo! Woo! Join in back there. Round the mountains, high and steep, through the valleys, low and deep, into tunnels, underground. See the darkness, hear the sound. Chugga-Chugga, choo-choo, echo calling. Woo! Woo! Very good. Across the river, swift and wide, a bridge goes to the other side. Chugga-Chugga, choo-choo, there's the city. Woo! Woo! Well done. In this station, workers wait, ready to unload the freight. Boxcars empty one by one. Sun is setting. Job well done. Tired, tired. Choo-choo. Night is falling. Woo! Woo! To the roundhouse you are bound. Good night, engine, safe and sound. Sleepy, sleepy, choo-choo, till tomorrow. And now nice and soft. All right, very good.